In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail address and username, or more specifically, how to update the name that appears on your Gmail account. This is a quick and useful fix if you want your emails to look more professional, cleaner, or simply more up to date. Now, before we start, it's important to know that Gmail does not usually let you fully change the actual email address itself if it's already been created. But what you can change very easily is your Gmail display name, and that is the name people see when you send emails. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/personal-info. You can also search Google account personal info if that is easier for you. Once the page loads, sign in to your Gmail account if you are not already signed in. After signing in, you will land on the Google account personal information page. Here, look for the section called personal info. Under that section, click on name. This is where Google stores the name that appears across your account and email profile. When the name settings open, click on the name again to edit it. You should now see fields for your first name and surname. Enter your new first name, your surname, or both, depending on how you want your name to appear. Take a moment to double check the spelling because this is the name people will see when they receive your emails. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google will update your display name, and that new name will now appear in your outgoing Gmail messages. If you send an email to someone, they should see the updated sender name instead of the old one. If you are trying to change the actual Gmail address itself, keep in mind that Gmail does not offer a direct rename option for existing email addresses. In that case, the best workaround is to create a new Gmail account with the address you want, then forward your emails or update your contacts and sign in details. But if your goal is just to change the name displayed in Gmail, the steps we just covered are all you need. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. You can always go back and update it again later if your name changes or if you want to make your account look more professional. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Gmail username or display name through your Google account settings. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.